Hello, everybody. This is Dan Tomaszewski with Everything MSP. We are joined here with Mike and Patrick, and you guys are twins. I love it.
We are twins, but we did not plan this outfit. I promise you, this is purely coincidental.
That is awesome. I love it. It's very cool. So, what I'd like to do is, give you both an opportunity just to, give me your, 1 to 2 minute background of who you guys are.
Yeah, my name is Mike Clements. I'm the director of sales at SherpaDesk. I've been with SherpaDesk for 10 years. I started with Oracle services, and my brother started SherpaDesk and thought it'd be a good fit for me to come over here to, somewhat of a startup. So I handle all the webinars, the demoing, the upmarket sales. We do have a self-setup process. So for those technicians that are one technician operations, they want to come in, set up their own instance of the SherpaDesk and manage it and configure it themselves, they can. But if it needs a little bit more hand holding, then I'm your guy.
Yeah, Patrick Clements. I'm one of the founders and CEO of SherpaDesk. I have a background of actually starting my first network integration company right out of college with my co-founder. We ran that for a few years and then branched off into doing software development and doing a lot of custom application development. Through the process, we needed a professional service automation tool. So we developed our own and launched SherpaDesk back in 2012. We really started escalating and scaling up the business about 4 years ago. And now we're, the product's fully functional and moving up into the MSP space.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you guys' background on each of you. Now, SherpaDesk. My big question is, what is SherpaDesk?
Well, SherpaDesk is a professional service automation tool. It's a way for you to better support your customers and track your technicians' billable time and expenses in a very easy way to do that. So our key saying here is that we want you to get your technicians to easily log their time so you get paid for the work that you're delivering. So SherpaDesk offers that type of platform.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and we really focus on IT consultants and managed service providers that need a better system in tracking their time, expenses, creating contracts, and getting invoices out. Too many times we see time falling through the cracks, so we make it easy through either email, through a mobile app, through the web interface to capture that lost billable time and get paid for the service.
That's awesome. And as we all know, when it comes to tracking time, it's a critical thing, because time is money. And I think the whole aspect of it being intangible, time can slip through the cracks and ultimately affects the bottom line and profitability of IT companies.
Absolutely.
Plus it gives you visibility into exactly what you're dealing with. Is like how much time is your technicians allocating across their projects? How much time is it a specific customer taking up per technician? How much time did we allocate for a project, and how much overtime have we allocated to the project? So being able to assign time and have it replicated across the entire business unit, whether it's an asset or an account or a project or even a particular task, that's what we really want to focus on is being able to capture that time and then be able to get some reporting and data analytics on exactly what is professional services is based on time. That's how we get paid, and that's how you that's your service. And so what we want to do is be able to represent that as effectively and as possible and easily as possible.
Excellent. What are some of the things that you've built into SherpaDesk that might be unlike others that are out there?
Well, one of the things that we really plant our flag on in this PSA environment is a way to be able to customize and configure flexible contracts. And we even allow you to create multiple contracts per account. So say if you've got a customer on a standard managed service contract, but then they hire you for this one-off type project, we can support those two different contracts going on at the same customer site.
Excellent.
We've also put a lot of investment into our mobile app. I would challenge that our mobile app is probably one of the most functional and feature-rich app that complements our PSA solution out there.
That's great. I mean, when you think about it, we've all, we're living in a mobile world, right?
Mm-hmm.
And whether you're grabbing a tablet or you're grabbing your phone, a lot of times it's just easier to grab the phone and want to be able to document that. And
100%. Yeah.
that's awesome. So what are some other things that you can tell me about SherpaDesk?
We have a pretty extensive asset management system. It integrates into Ninja One for remote management and monitoring, and it allows a lot of organizations to centralize manage all their assets from a single pane of glass. Whether it's remote monitoring, whether it's ticket based, where you're assigning time, and then from the asset manager, you're able to review analytics and data of like what is the cost of support on a particular asset, what assets are out of warranty, what assets need to be upgraded. So the asset management piece is a pretty powerful piece that is heavily integrated into the ticketing system as well, ticketing and time tracking system.
Awesome. So if I'm an MSP, which I am, and I'm using another product for this type of management, why should I look to SherpaDesk to make a change?
One thing I will tell you is that you're not going to find an easily configured system like SherpaDesk. SherpaDesk is set up to be self-managed, self-maintained. So where if you are an MSP that knows exactly what you want, then you can come to the website, set up your own instance, and not ever talk to anybody here at SherpaDesk. And I think that says volumes, especially for something that's so feature rich like our solution, that you can set up your own instance and start running it without even talking to a salesperson.
I want to step in on that too, because I also say one of the big upsides of our system is our support. In the event that you do have problems or you do have issues, we provide access to support pretty regularly. Like our response time is pretty high, and so I know that a lot of times coming from an existing solution, you have issues with like the support and getting help in configuration, getting help set up. We've taken customers that spent 3 months with support and never got their system configured, and then they can come to our system and get configured within a single week. So I'd really like to lean on our support as being one of the big upsides is if you're looking to make a conversion.
So simple, but has all the depth of what we're looking for in such a tool. That's awesome. So if you want to take a look more at SherpaDesk, best thing to do to reach out to you?
Reach out to us. You can either reach us at support@SherpaDesk.com. And for more information, you can go to SherpaDesk.com. It has all of our information on there, all the different features, functionality, what we support, and all of our different integrations.
That's awesome. Well, thank you guys. We greatly appreciate your time. And everybody, thank you for watching. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Thank you.